Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with UNice wigs. I love it. I love UNice wigs. I love working with them. They always have amazing quality wigs. So I was really excited to experience this wig for the first time because it is a curly unit that has finger coil ends. Okay, so this is the new unit going around. So it's kind of like a two texture unit. All right. In this video, we are going to do start to finish styling. Before I get into the specs and my first thoughts on this unit, let's quickly get into an unboxing. Let's do a quick unboxing. So inside of the package came goodies, okay? So you get the satin satchel, you get a baby hair brush / comb, you get a melting band, an HD wig cap, and these bye-bye knots wig tape. This unit is a 7x5 glueless wig and it is water wave with finger coil ends in 24 inches. It is 150% density and it comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. Okay, you don't gotta really do any type of work. And inside it comes with one adjustable band, 3 combs, and 1 adjustable strap for more security. First, I'm going to show you what it looks like straight out the box because this is a ready-to-wear unit. So I adjusted the strap to fit my head and it is very snug and fits comfortable and I don't have to glue her down at all. This is a true glueless unit. That's what I love about UNice wigs. What they say, they mean. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight out the box, and now as you can see, it is ready to wear. There's nothing wrong with this, but of course I want to customize her some, so I'm gonna add some of the wax stick to the top because I'm gonna lay her down. Okay, and I am going to be using my hot comb to lay her down flat at the top. All right, and I'm gonna keep with the middle part that they already put in there because I like it. It's really good and it's deep because this is a 7x5 lace, so you get a lot of room to play with. So now I want to add a few layers to kind of like frame my face, and I'm just going to be doing some light layering using my scissor on both sides in the front of my face only. I don't mind a lot of length in the back and the sides. I just like kind of wanted just a few layers in the front. So after I frame my face, I go in with the oil, which is the Bio Silk, just a little bit. I add it to my palms and I distribute it without running my fingers through the curls. Because this hair is water wave, however, it's giving like a kinkier texture, and if I run my fingers through it, it's just going to make it look a little bit more kinkier and a little bit more dry. So that's why I'm adding that. Now I'm going to add some mousse, and what the mousse is going to do is give it some shine. It's also going to help with making those curls pop and look very luscious and look very defined. Okay, so I am taking my wet brush and I'm going to brush the product through the section. Okay, and you want to start from the ends up and work your way up. I know I started from the top, but work your way up. Okay, and if you need to saturate it in water, you do that. But I'm adding some more of that product, and this is going to be crunchy when I'm done because I'm adding a lot of the product and I am coiling the ends. But what you could do is go back in with the oil when it is dry, just to take away the crunchiness of the Lotta body. So once again, we're gonna brush through, and then once we get to the end, we're gonna curl the ends with our fingers. Okay, and that's going to create a coil. Repeat the steps to the other side and you're done. Okay, so I'm back with my finished look, and I was very, very nervous. I'm not going to lie, I was very nervous because when they ship the unit, it already is in the curly state or whatever, but I like to go in and wash the unit. So after I did some light layering to the front, and then I added the mousse and tried to like re-curls, I felt like some of the curls were a little bit longer, and I wanted all of my curls to look one way. I love a defined curl. Like, I love the way I do my curly hair routine. So I did go in and I washed the unit, and you know, I literally kept it in the same style, but I just washed the unit. Okay, and I love the way she looks. She looks so good. I do not have to do anything. Like, okay, she is not glued on, and that makes her one of my favorite wigs, because I hate when I have to glue a wig on. I love a straight up put the wig on your head and go type of unit. All right, so let's get into the specs. This unit again is from UNice wigs. This is the curly with the finger coil ends, but to be more specific, it is water wave, okay, with twist out ends. I have her in 24 inches. It is a glueless wig, so it is a 7x5 closure, which gives you so much space to play around with, which I love, because I love to have a long part. Like, my part is really long, and I love that. To me, it looks way more natural that way, and it is flatter on the head. So I love the way that looks. This is 150% density, and with curly wigs, you do not need like 200 density. 200% and higher you don't need. With curly hair, 150% density is perfection, because it's already really, really a lot of hair. Okay, I promise you, this is enough hair. I love this unit because everything comes done for you. The knots are pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and they pre-cut the lace for you. So literally all you have to do is put this wig on straight out of the packaging. Okay, unless you want to do a little tweaking like I did, and just like, you know, do a little bit of face framing. Yeah, you really could just throw this wig on and go. It has adjustable straps. It's very, very comfortable on my head. This is one of my most comfortable wigs. It's very lightweight, so I really love that. Very easy to maintain the curl. You literally just wet it down, put a little bit of mousse, comb through it, and then like finger coil the ends, and that is literally how you define it. And that's only if you want that definition, okay, at the end of the hair. Again, it has a natural hairline. The lace melts like no other. I have nothing on it, and it literally just looks like my skin. So I love that. But yeah, this is the final look, and I think she is absolutely gorgeous. I can't do too much with these nails because I have all this stuff, and I don't want to like mess up. I want to just like, you know, really show y'all just like, but my nails keep getting stuck in the curl, so I don't want to do too much. But like, just look at that. Look at the pattern. Like, it goes from a wavy to a very, very defined coil at the end. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite curly unit, especially because of this curl pattern. And when I am done, like if you feel like she looks a little bit dry and you want to add some product, I would definitely recommend this. You use the Bio Silk. You just add a little bit of this to your palm, and then you work the product in your hands, and then you just go down like this in two sections, okay, two big sections, so that you don't mess up the curls. But that's how I got it to look so freaking beautiful. Okay, and the luster on her is a very natural luster. But yeah, that is it. Let's give you another like look. Just look how that look. That looks so freaking good, and she's nice and bouncy and so full. Like, you see, the 150% density will suffice. You do not need more than that, especially with curly hair. Okay, But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. I will have all the links to this unit down in the bottom bar, as well as UNice here. Thank you for this beautiful wig. She definitely didn't disappoint. I'm excited to wear her finally. Like, I'm so excited. I did not touch this wig because I wanted to make sure she was perfect for the video. So I'm excited to finally get to wear her today. But yeah, what do y'all think about this unit? Is this something that you would get? And for 24 inches, you know, of course you don't get as much length because again, it is curly, but let me show you how long this hair is, because this is no joke. Okay, she comes down, okay, down to the middle of my butt for 24 inches, and that's when it is like, you know, the curl is like pulled out. But like this, she comes like around my breast, which is perfect. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have the link to everything down in the bottom bar for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you would get this unit. How do you like this unit on me? I haven't did a middle part with curly in a long time, and I love it. 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 Well, middle part with black curly I haven't done in a long time, and she's about to get worn like crazy, like super low maintenance. You're not gonna have to do too much but wet the hair. Perfect for me. Okay, so yeah, that was everything you needed to know on this unit. Again, I'm gonna have the links to everything down in the bottom bar for you. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. Let me know if this is a unit that you would get. Yeah, she is truly a glueless wig. You could throw her on straight out the box. Okay, I'm letting y'all know right now. I'm a little extra, so I did wash her, but I showed y'all that you can throw her on right after you take her out of the box. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you